Alright guys, I'm back with another video. And I don't know if I showed you my last video of reviewing my PSM 45, but I got this PSM 45. You cock it, you could shoot and everything. And then this is my airsoft gun. It's the Game Face M311. I like it, but it's really hard to cock back. But I'm going to show you guys a tutorial review thing of me shooting it because it's like kind of hard to cock and everything, and I can do it right now. I don't know if you guys can see that can. I don't know. Can you? Oh crap, that's not very good. Anyway, let me find a spot for you guys. Where's the can? Okay, can you see that can? Guys, it's right there. So if you hear like a ting or anything, that means I hit it. But this is an airsoft gun. I'm not gonna shoot my BB gun yet. So ready? I'm gonna shoot that. I missed. I can see the BB, but it's just like going right over it. Ooh, did you see the dust? Oh, pinches your finger a lot. Oh, okay. Now we're gonna shoot that one. I'm not very good at shooting, but this is my BB gun, like the one that shoots metal BBs, the PSM 45. It takes Copperhead precision BBs. I don't know if I think they're 6mm BBs, but these are the BBs are from Crosman. And then I'm gonna show you guys how to load it and everything. So this is how I load it. So if you can't see that hole that I showed in the last one, you pull this down. It holds 20 BBs. If I've never said that in my last video, but right there is the hole. So you grab your BB, put them in your hand. I'll just do a couple, and then you see that. You see the hole, so you just put it flat. And you just drop BBs down. Sorry guys, that's my mom. But I'm gonna try to finish this video. I have to eat supper. It's like 7 o'clock. It's like 7 or like 6. I'm not sure. I'll just put that many BBs in. Alright. I'm just gonna... Oh, she's annoying. I gotta hurry up. Alright. Here's the shooting of my BB gun. The one that shoots metal BBs. There's the can. Oh, I missed. I hit it. You guys couldn't hear it. Hit it again. Oh, I missed. Do you guys see that little metal thing back there, the little metal target? I'm gonna try to hit that once. Oh, I think I'm out of BBs. Yeah, I'm out of BBs, but that's the shooting of my thing. I'm gonna be uploading more content in a little bit, or maybe tomorrow. But I have baseball practice for baseball team that I play for. So I gotta go eat. So see you. I'll be back with another video in a little bit about my Nerf guns, maybe a little bit more about airsoft. All right, see ya. Peace.